Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to read paid Substack articles for free. So if you're wondering whether there's a hidden trick that unlocks every paid newsletter, then here's the reality. There is not a legitimate way to read paid Substack articles without a subscription. Paid articles are available only to subscribers who have purchased access to that publication. So you need to be cautious of websites that claim they can bypass Substack paywalls because many are unreliable and contain malware or ask for personal information. Some writers do publish free articles, reviews, or occasional unlocked posts, so you can still enjoy a portion of their content without paying. And if you want full access to premium articles, then subscribing to the publication is the only official and supported option. So that was how paid Substack articles work. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.